Does everybody know what time it is? It's tool time. Welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Tracy. Are you tired of reaching for cold cereal in the morning or skipping breakfast altogether because you're short on time? Well, today we're calibrating your morning with the ultimate power up mug pancake. And here's the kicker. There are less pots and pans and less cleanup, and your morning will be off to a great start. It's protein packed and fiber rich. Your egg cooker. We're going to put in 4 tablespoons of Kodiak pancake mix. Get some extra fiber in there. Going to put in an egg for the protein. And then I like to mix in 2 tablespoons of silk dark chocolate. And a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So we want to rev this up. And I'm going to give you the egg warning. When you put an egg in your cylinder, you want to make sure you slow cook it, because if you excite it too much in the microwave, it's going to blow a gasket right off the top. So when we put this in the microwave, we're going to put it in for 45 seconds. We're going to check the consistency, and then we're going to put it in for 45 more seconds. Make sure we get the right consistency that we want without blowing a gasket. So I'll pop this right over in the microwave. Blended berries. So I'm going to add a little bit of whey protein into this. We're going to start out a tablespoon at a time because you want your consistency to be right at, you want it to be drizzly, and it looks like we got a good pull off the sides, so you do not need to have an extra plate. You can just take this, put your berry topping right on top, right out of the cylinder. Looks a little messy, but it tastes great. This is the part of the pancake mixture that you're going to love the most, the cleanup. All it takes is a scrubby and some soap, some hot water, and if you have a small enough hand, you can put your hand all the way down in the bottom. Or you can use one of those bottle brushes to get all the way down in there. Few rinses, and it comes out completely clean. Fiber, protein, and 0 cleanup. Breakfast calibrated. If you want to see the full list of tools that I used in today's program, see the link in my comments and go to the table. You can also like, subscribe, and come back next week for another SOP. See you in the kitchen.